This tutorial is for first grade, Module 4, Lesson 4. In this lesson, we're going to show that two-digit numbers can be written as addition sentences combining tens and ones. In my first problem, I have some grapes. I have two bunches of grapes, and each bunch has 10, so that gives me a total of 20, and then I have 3 individual grapes, so we'll show that as 3 ones. If I combine my groups, I have 20 and 3, which makes 23 in all. That number bond helps us fill in the blanks down here. 20 and 3 make 23 in all, and then I'm going to show that same process as an addition number sentence. 20 and 3 make 23 can be written as 20 plus 3 equals 23. So we've taken the number 23 and shown it as an addition sentence using groups of 10 and ones. In the next picture, I have 2 bags of peanuts. Each bag has 10, and then I have 8 more peanuts. So we'll show our 2 bags as 20 since I have 2 groups of 10, and then 8 more. 20 and 8 together make 28. Now let's take the information from our number bond and use it in our sentence. 20 and 8 make 28, and now we'll transfer that into an addition sentence. 20 plus 8 equals 28. So the number 28 can be thought of as the addition sentence combining tens and ones. We'll use a similar thought process for this section. I have some marbles in jars, so I have 10 marbles in 2 jars. That means 20 marbles altogether, and then I have 7 more marbles. I combine the two and I get 27 for my whole. The addition sentence for 27 would be 20 plus 7. 20 plus 7 equals 27. Now let's look at it in word form. 7 more than 20 is 27. Means I'm adding 7 onto my 20 to get 27. In the next picture, I have 3 necklaces. Each necklace has 10 beads. That gives me a total of 30 beads. And then I have 6 more beads. I combine those for a total of 36 beads. That means that 30 plus 6 equals 36. And 6 more than 30 is also 36. Here we're going to use the place value chart to represent our numbers before we write our addition sentences. My picture shows me a crate with the number 10 on it and some apples. So we'll assume that there are 10 apples in the crate. That would be one group of 10 and then 4 more individual apples. I'll take this information from my place value chart and write it as an addition sentence. So that one group of 10 would be the number 10. Then I add 4 to that to get 14. 10 plus 4 is 14, which is the same thing as one group of 10 and 4 ones. Going across, I have some carrots. I have 2 groups of 10, so that's 2 tens, and then 3 individual carrots. To write my number sentence, I would say I have 20 carrots. I got that from my 2 groups of 10, and then 3 carrots for a total of 23 carrots. In my last section, I'm going to match the descriptions of numbers on the left side to the addition sentences or numbers on the right side. I'll start with 4 tens. Well, 4 tens is the same thing as 40, so I'll match 4 tens with 40. 2 tens and 7 ones would match up with 20 plus 7, because 2 tens is 20, and I would add that to 7 ones. 3 more than 20 would mean I'd start with 20 and add 3 onto it, so that would be 20 plus 3. 9 ones and 3 tens would be the same thing as 3 tens or 30 plus 9. That matches up with 9 plus 30. And then 2 ones and 3 tens would be the same thing as 30 plus 2, and I would match it with this addition sentence. So you can see how our two-digit numbers can also be thought of as addition sentences showing the groups of tens and the additional ones.